Hello, this is Liz from ReviewHarbor.net, and today I wanted to share with you a really exciting tool I found online. This tool is called BookBildr, BookBildr.com, and basically it's a web app that lets you create custom picture books without having to draw anything, without having to pay for illustrations and pay for a book designer. I mean, it's great. So let's have a look at it. So I'll just scroll through the website. And it all sounds very simple. You choose a book size you want to create, then you make your book with the tool, and then you order a print copy or download a PDF. That's it. That's really fantastic. There is a video you can watch. We're not going to watch it right now. And I really like the website. It looks really, really nice. I like the color scheme, bright. I like the fonts. And here are the formats of the books you can make. So you can make a square book, which is available as a hardcover, a horizontal book, which is available as soft or hardcover. Basically, that's a paperback or a hardcover, or a classic paperback or hardcover. Oh, there are some testimonials here, and you can subscribe to their news. So I already have an account here, and I'm going to log in now. And I'll show you how it works and what it looks like from the inside. Right, here I am, all logged in. I got redirected to the design page where I can select the size and shape of a book I want to make. So there is a small portrait, and that starts from $8 for 16 pages. That's really good. A medium portrait, a small landscape, medium landscape, medium square, and large square. Now the large square books are the most expensive, but that's not surprising because I mean you're getting a hardcover bookstore quality book, and the dimensions are quite large anyway. So let's go with the small portrait. And click on Design Your Book now, and an editor tool opens in a new tab. And here we have it. So that's the page. There is a preview. A preview page in the sidebar. Now, here you can select illustrations, text, shapes, frames, or upload your own image. Let's start with the background first. There we go. Now there's a choice of colors. Kind of like this. Okay. And if you go to the frequently asked questions, you'll find lots of information about how to make your book, and you'll know that the first page here is actually your cover page. So let's add some text. BookBildr uses Google Fonts here, and you can preview them. You can select whatever you like. I don't know, crafty girls. Okay, let's do that. And then we just click and type my BookBildr book test. Right. You have the standard controls for your text. You can change its color, size. The sizes here go up to 72, but the thing is, you can actually, when you drag and drops, when you drag it around the page, have these controls here. And so my touchpad is not working very well today. I don't know, maybe I have to clean it or something. It's not the tool. Yeah, so you can just drag it using the corners, and that's how you change the text size. Let's add an illustration now. There are lots of categories. There is no search function at the moment. So you just browse the categories and you find whatever you want to find as an illustration. And this is kind of okay for school. Again, you just click on an illustration. You can drag the corners. It's my touchpad. It's not the tool. It's just my touchpad because I've been having these problems everywhere. Sorry about that. I can't seem to get the hang of it. If you know how to clean a touchpad on a MacBook so that it works correctly, please let me know in your comments. I'd really appreciate that. Yeah, so that's the idea basically. You can undo, redo, you have layers here. When you select an element, you can change its position, add some pages. Let's add text. Now, just like in Canva and that sort of stuff, you have to change you have to select your font every time you add a new page. You can so you can just remember which font you used. This is my first page. Let's add another page, and I'll just drop some illustrations here just to show you how it works. Because we're not creating a book right now. We're just, yeah. Again, my touchpad will mess this up, but you can drag an illustration to occupy the whole of the page, and then it act as a page background, which is really cool. And then you can add other elements here. Let me just show you how it works. I'll try that. Sorry about the silly touchpad. Really, really annoying. Yeah. So here we have this teacher sitting there, and I'm going to add this other teacher, and she will be sort of standing here, and I'm going to make her bigger, and then drag her. Yeah, so you get the idea, right? This is a cool tool. It's really cool. Anyway, you can save your project, and you should save your project actually. And the design name, okay, my book builder test. Just save changes. Okay. Okay, so now that you've saved your project, your book design, your book project, you'll notice that the tool added an extra page here. And that's a clever thing to do, and I actually think they should do that, because the illustrations you use here are taken from these websites. They're public domain, they are absolutely legal and free to use, but it's just fair to credit the websites. So I like that idea. They also add their own logo, which is also fair because, I mean, you've used the tool. Give them some credit. Okay, so that's, and the last page, now that's important. If you go and read the frequently asked questions on the website, you'll see that the last page is basically a back cover. So here we didn't create, I didn't create a back cover here, but basically this would be a back cover. Or if you don't want it to be a back cover, you just add another page, and the page from here will move up in the sidebar. Let's actually do that. So I'll select this one. I'll select this page and we'll add another page. And you can see that this page moved up. So now it's the page before the credits page. The credits page is the page before last, and the last page is your back cover if you have an even number of pages, because that's the printer's requirement. Again, that's also in the frequently asked questions. So now we have total number of pages is 5, and that means that the back cover will be just white. So easily corrected, just add a page. So as you can see, this page moved up, and we have a new page there. Let's get the background. What was that I used? I used this for the front cover, and that's it. So now we have this leaflet, and we're going to be taken to the order page where there will be some options. And actually, for this kind of book, for this printable, that's a printable that I've created, there will only be one option, which is a PDF download, because this book didn't meet the minimum page requirement. So that's 16 pages, including the covers and the credits page. So 16 pages in total is the minimum requirement for a soft cover book. So the prices are in euros at the moment, but you can change that here. There's a good list of currencies. Let's choose the dollar. And now it's dollars. And now we have US dollars. You can change your country here using this list. BookBildr ships worldwide for physical products, and obviously PDF download, that doesn't really matter. There you have the terms and conditions here and all that sort of stuff. Just click on next. Enter your email address. Enter your email address, agree to the terms, that's important, and click next. Here you enter your card details. Here's the amount that you're paying. And then simply click next, and they will process your payment, and you will receive a download link for your PDF in your email inbox. Yes, so that's BookBildr. I really liked it, and I hope it's useful to you, because really, creating your own book, using your own stories, that's the perfect gift idea, really. So I hope you enjoyed this video, have fun, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Thanks, bye!